Good morning, friends. This morning we are at the top of Railway Street in Malton. It's a beautiful morning, lots of sunshine. I'm just going to have a look at this telephone box over here. This is one of two telephone boxes that have been acquired by the council, and we have rumour has it that it's going to be something useful for the town. It was originally thought to be a big display for flowers. This is going to be, if you like, a library to contain archive material for the history of Malton. They're going to reglaze it and repaint it. A lot of people around the country that have restored these things have put defibrillators in, and there is a firm who offers free paint if you're going to put a defibrillator in one of these boxes. As you can see, it's empty at the moment. There's nothing in it. It's totally empty. So now we'll have a trip up to the marketplace and see what the other one is like. This is the main way into Malton from York. It's called Yorker's Gate. It's very, very busy. Got to keep our wits about us at this point. Make sure that we get across the road opportune times. Now we're entering Savile Street, the main link up to the marketplace. And we'll stick with the sunny side of the street.
See you later.
The storm has passed through. It's quite cool still though. Not so many people about. And we shall go into the market square now. And as you'll find when we turn this corner, that the market doesn't have so much in the way of stalls like it used to do. 20 years ago this place would be absolutely thronging with stalls, but now we've got the regular fruit stalls. And that building is the iconic ancient town hall. The upper story used to have the chamber where the council used to sit, but now it's a pizza parlour, pizza on the square. I remember as a lad being bored out of my school waiting for my mother because they used to have the local library in there, and she used to enjoy reading her books, but she could never change them quickly. It was always a good browsing session, and I had to sit there and wait. Oh well, c'est la vie. But still a nice building. Salvation Army doing their bit here. Good morning. Right, here we are, top of the market now. bottom end of the shambles, and this is the telephone box that has been reglazed and repainted. And as you can see, there is a wonderful shine on that paint, and they've made a really good job of it. So this is an information centre. And there we have a rack with leaflets in, and the one there that has, it's going to be under lock and key, and that is an invitation for local businesses to put their business cards in there. So that's it. Tourist information. Okay. Lovely restored telephone box, beautifully painted. We'll just go along here. There's something else to show you that you may be interested with. Not so many people around. Usually it's quite busy on a Saturday as this part of the marketplace.
Hey.
Hi Mal. Well, this is what I want to show you. A friend of mine is very good at doing murals. She does them for businesses, she does them in homes, and she calls them murals. Well, that's the one that we've had done here. I think that's sponsored by the local landowner, the Fitzwilliam Estate, and they've made Malton Yorkshire's food capital. And every second Saturday in the month we have food markets, and 2 or 3 times a year we have the big festivals where all the food vendors arrive and sell their goods. That's something to look out for this year. I'm sure there'll be plenty of opportunity to visit on those days. But this is it now. I'm calling it a day. So until next time, enjoy your weekend. Bye for now.